सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए। Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EduTech. Today we are watching some GK quiz and their answers. These are the most important questions for all examinations, and I wish you will happy to hear all these questions. So I'm starting my session. Listen carefully and pay attention. First question: India has approved a MOU with which country in the field of astrophysics? This is the first question. And now we will watch this question's answer. Option A, Germany. Option B, Holland. Option C, Portugal. And option D, Spain. And the right answer is Spain. Option D is correct. Now we have completed first question, and now we'll watch the second question. Now we'll watch the second question. In which state has announced the construction of memorial for the Bhopal gas tragedy victims? First option Maharashtra, second option Andhra Pradesh, third option Madhya Pradesh, and option D, Uttar Pradesh. The right answer is Madhya Pradesh. Option C. Third question. Which ministry has announced advisory guidelines to private satellite channels on online gaming and betting? First option Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs, B option Ministry of Home Affairs, C option Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and D option Ministry of Information Technology. The right answer is option C, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Now we'll watch next question. Union Cabinet has approved submarine optical fiber cable connectivity between Lakshadweep, Iceland, and which city? So we will watch this question's answer. First option Delhi, second option B Chennai, third option C Kochi, and fourth option D Mumbai. And the right answer is C Kochi. Next question. Which southern state assembly has passed resolution against Center of Farm Laws? Option A Kerala, option B Tamil Nadu, option C Andhra Pradesh, and option D Telangana. And the right answer is Kerala. So we have watched here some India's current affairs, and I wish you have enjoyed my lecture. Namaskar.